Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Aspire Knowledge, and today I am back with a new topic of English present perfect continuous tense. Hi, I am Japneet and I am conducting this session for you. Let's move on and see what is present perfect continuous tense and what are the rules and how we can use it in making our sentences in English. So, present perfect continuous tense. What is it? The present perfect continuous tense, also known as the present perfect progressive tense. इसे present perfect progressive tense भी कहा जाता है. It shows that something started in the past is continuing at the present time. जो काम पहले शुरू हुआ था और वो अभी तक चल रहा है, पास्ट में शुरू हुआ था और वो अभी तक चलता जा रहा है, उसके बारे में हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस के हेल्प से बताते हैं. The present perfect continuous is formed using the construction has or have been plus the present participle. For example, root plus ing. In simpler words, we use has, have been and verb plus ing. I'll show you when I'll do rules of the present perfect continuous tense. But before that, let's see how do we use present perfect continuous tense. So here we can see that present perfect continuous tense tells us about the present result. Like I have been working. मैं काम कर रही थी बहुत देर से. So as a result, that's why I am tired. So this is the result that I was working. बहुत देर से मैं काम कर रही थी तो इसलिए मैं थक गई हूँ. तो ये हम present perfect continuous tense के थ्रू बता सकते हैं. It tells you about the temporary situation. जो situation temporary होते हैं, हमेशा के लिए नहीं चलनी है situation, उसके बारे में present perfect continuous tense बताता है. For example, I have been going to the gym a lot recently. आजकल मैं जाने लगी हूँ जिम बहुत ज़्यादा. पहले नहीं जाती थी बट आजकल जाने लगी हूँ काफ़ी टाइम से. ओके तो ये प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस हमें बताता है. हाउ लॉन्ग द एक्शन इज हैपनिंग फ्रॉम द पास्ट टिल नाउ, कितने टाइम तक वो एक्शन हो रहा है, ये हमें प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस बताता है. आई हैव बीन लिविंग इन लंदन फॉर 2 years. 2 सालों से मैं वहाँ रह रही हूँ. सो ये कितने टाइम से, वो कितना लॉन्ग एक्शन चला है, उसके बारे में हमें प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस बताता है. Now moving on to subject verb agreement. So I have already told you in my previous videos also that what is subject. Basically it is the doer of the sentence, and if you're not aware about what is subject, then you should watch my video of the sentence where I've mentioned the parts of sentences in which I have explained the subject thoroughly. You can watch there. And now what is subject verb agreement? Basically, how do we write a sentence with a particular subject? If I'm talking about myself, then how would I construct a sentence with it? By using a verb. So these are basically the rules how we are going to write a sentence in present perfect continuous tense. So with I we are going to use has been plus verb ing, and he she it has been plus verb plus ing, and you we they we are going to use have been plus verb plus ing. Like I have already told you in my present continuous also and present tense also, that we always use have with I, you, we, they, and has with he, she, it, because they are singulars. So we use has. I will make a particular video of where do we use have and has For time being, I'm just telling you that with the plural and I we use have, and with the singular pronoun we always use has. And in present perfect continuous we always use been plus verb plus ing. Now moving on to the some examples of present perfect continuous tense so that you will be able to make sentences by your own. Let's see, I have been waiting for an hour. मैं 1 घंटे से past 1 hour से wait कर रही हूँ अभी तक. So I have been waiting. Aditya has been listening music. वो इतनी देर से गाने सुन रहा है. आदित्य इतनी देर से गाने सुन रहा है. वर्षा हैज़ बीन ईटिंग अ लॉट लेटली. सो वर्षा आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा खा रही है. पहले इतना नहीं खाती थी जितना आजकल खा रही है. सो हैज़ बीन ईटिंग अ लॉट लेटली. आजकल, लेटली का मतलब होता है आजकल में. एलिफेंट हैज़ बीन वॉकिंग ऑल ओवर द जंगल. तो वो एलिफेंट काफ़ी देर से जंगल में इधर से उधर घूम रहा है. यू हैव बीन नोटिसिंग एवरीबडी. तुम काफ़ी देर से सबको नोटिस कर रहे हो, देख रहे हो कि कौन क्या कर रहा है. वी हैव बीन राइटिंग एन essay फॉर स्कूल कॉम्पिटिशन. तो हम काफ़ी टाइम से ऐसे लिखने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं स्कूल कंपटीशन के लिए. दे हैव बीन लाफिंग ऑल ओवर माई जोक्स. सो वो मेरी जोक्स पे काफ़ी देर से हंस रहे हैं. सो आई हैव यूज्ड हैव with I, you, we and they, and has with he, she, it. So it is not particular that you use he, she, it in a sentence. You can use any name of a boy or a girl, or for it you can use any name of a thing or an animal. All right, so this is how we are going to make sentences of present perfect continuous tense. Thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you liked it. Please do comment if you feel something that needs to be improvised, and please do like, share and comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching it. Bye bye. Take care everyone.